Welcome, great. Welcome in your science lesson. Now, as you all know that we are already doing this lesson, the topic weather and seasons, right? So seasons we have already covered. We have done everything related to season, what we needed to learn. Now comes the weather. You have also done few things about weather before as well. Now, so I'm going to play a sound and you are going to guess what the sound is, right? We are doing the topic weather and what weather we are doing that I'm going to tell you later on. First, I'm going to you have to listen to this sound. Can you listen? What was the sound about? It was about rain, right? And what else was there? We cannot guess that sound? Okay. Now I'll just show you the picture and just tell me what is the picture about. It is going to help you to guess the sound. Okay. All right. All right. There you go. Can you all see my screen, class? Wow. Great. Now what can you see in this picture? What is there? Lots of lightning happening. And what else? What is all this black thing over there? These are clouds. So can you guess that sound? Still not? Here, can you see? Wow, it looks so dangerous. What is that? It is lightning and thunder. Right, it is lightning and thunder. So what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about the weather which is called thunderstorm. What is called? Thunderstorm. Now, what is this weather? I'm going to tell you later. First, let's watch this video. This video again is our actual video. You can watch it later on once the class is over. You can watch it at any time. Don't forget to like that video so that it will be safe for you for your later use, right? Okay, now let's watch that video and see what is the. Can you all see my screen, class? Wow, great.
Ooh, what is that? Scary thunderstorm. This is how a thunderstorm looks like. When all the clouds gather, makes a lot of sound. The thunders, the lightning, and it brings a lot of rain and sometimes wind as well. That's how all the clouds move. And then it rains, or I should say it pours. That's how a thunderstorm is.
Right. Okay. So you see, what is thunderstorm? Now what happens actually? Thunderstorm, it has lots and lots of heavy rain. Okay. Then what happens? It has heavy rain with thunder and lightning. Now my question is, do you think what is going to come first? Thunder comes first or lightning comes first? Lightning comes first, right? First there is lots of lightning and then there is thunder. Now you might be asking me this question that teacher, what is lightning actually? Now what is lightning is a flash of light. Flash of light in the sky. Okay? You can see lots and lots of lightning in the sky as you have seen in that video, as you have seen in that picture, how the lightning was, and that is very dangerous. Okay? So this is lightning, and what is thunder? Thunder is the loud noise that follows the lightning. It's the loud noise. Remember the noise which you heard? I have played that music for you, right? You heard that noise also. So that is what is thunderstorm. At first the lightning comes, with that follows with thunder, which is a loud noise and dangerous noise. So this you as it is our weather, you can see that sometimes what happens, the rain is very too heavy and it might follow with lots and lots of heavy wind and hail. And when there is wind, there is lightning, there is thunder. So what is going to happen? Is it safe for you to stay outside? Of course not. It is not safe. So whenever there is this type of a thunder which you have seen in the video, you should always be stay. What you should do is you should find some indoor shelter for yourself. Indoor shelter means you should stay inside your rooms, stay inside your house. Don't go outside. Stay away from water. Stay away from metal. Stay away from telephone wires, from the things that use electricity, because they might be dangerous for you. So these are the safety measures that you should follow. Okay. So now comes the question that what comes first, thunder or lightning? This is your first question. What comes first, thunder or lightning? Yes, so what's the answer? Of course, lightning comes first, so that you are going to write it yourself, and you have to write at least 3 safety measures. What are safety measures? How to stay safe during thunderstorm, like we have already discussed in the class. So these are the 2 questions. 6 minutes for each question, I think, is more than enough for you. So your time starts now. All right, time is up. Raise your hands. Okay, what's the answer to the first question? What comes first? Of course, lightning comes first. Okay. What are the safety measures that you have written? Yes, come on, Sadhu, read out yours first, please. The first one is you should, yes, very good. During thunderstorm, you should find indoor shelter, okay, or you should stay at home, stay indoors. Then, second one, stay away from metal things, very good. The third one, stay away from electrical things, very good. And you should stay away from water. So these were the safety measures that you need to take care. You will need to follow them when there is a thunderstorm. And you know what is thunderstorm? Yes, thunderstorm is heavy rains with thunder and lightning current. So this was the topic that we did today. And the main topic was weather. And in weather, we have learned about thunderstorm. Don't forget to watch this video later on again. It's going to help you out in doing your homework. Okay, I'll be posting your homework on your portal. Do it yourself. I hope you will understand. It's not difficult. But if there is any confusion, you can ask me later. Okay, class. So see you later. Bye-bye.